According to surveillance video footage, in the early morning hours of January 8th, at approximately 1 a.m., Perez Garcia was driving a 2002 white Ford F-150 in the Hard Rock Casino parking ramp at 205 Pearl Street. He stayed in the parking ramp for several hours and acted erratically in an attempt to gain the attention of security personnel to have police called to the ramp. During this time, Perez Garcia smoked from a glass pipe while looking and talking to one of the security cameras. He used his truck to repeatedly hit the glass doors to the elevator entrance. He also dropped notes in the parking ramp that said, "Police are corrupting casino is culpable." At 3:41 a.m., an officer with the Sioux City Police Department drove into the parking ramp. The officer parked on the second floor of the ramp to conduct surveillance on a subject who was on an adjacent property. The Sioux City officer was in a marked patrol car and in uniform at the time of the incident. The officer was unaware that Perez Garcia was in the parking ramp and unaware of his erratic behavior. At 3:57 a.m., as the officer sat conducting surveillance, Perez Garcia accelerated rapidly and drove down to the level the officer was parked on. He used his truck to ram the officer's squad car with the intention of harming the officer. The collision was violent enough to deploy the airbags of the officer's patrol car, disable the officer's car, and pin the officer inside of it. The officer immediately radioed for assistance.
Code 3, I've got a vehicle just rammed into me, second story of the Hard Rock.
10-4.
Pardon me, cover, code 3, second story.
10-4 and 5.
10-4, code 3.
The closest officers responded from the 1200 block of Grandview Boulevard and the Sioux City Police Department at 601 Douglas Street. Perez Garcia then backed up and drove for the exit ramp.
White Ford Ranger.
What color Ford Ranger?
White colored Ford Ranger. I don't have eyes on it anymore. He pulled away. Male subject. Occupied one time. He's going towards the exit. We have to hit the exit. He's coming towards the main exit. The Hard Rock parking ramp. He's going down to the main exit. He's coming towards the main exit. The Hard Rock parking ramp. He's going down to the main exit.
Get off the ground! Drop it! Drop it right now! Move! Back up! Put it down!
Shots fired, roll medical, 2-3.
Get it out of your hand!
He's coming towards the main exit. The Hard Rock parking ramp. He's going down to the main exit.
Get off the ground! Drop it! Drop it right now! Back up! The fuck? Put it down!
Shots fired, roll medical, 2-3.
Get it out of your hand!
He's coming towards the main exit. The Hard Rock parking ramp. Going down to the main exit.